Alright people, John here, Scottish entrepreneur. Today's video is going to be based on how to build an eBay business. This for people that's new to eBay and they're struggling to get sales, they've not got any feedback, and you're basically looking to try and quickly get your first initial sales and build up your feedback. So this is a technique I've been using for quite a long time. I've been running an eBay business for 5 years and I kind of wish I knew how to do this for the get-go. If I'd done this, I'd be probably further where I'm at now, but it's a great tip for people that's just starting out, so let's jump into it. Got a wee presentation here. What's needed? You're going to need an Amazon Prime account. This is important. You need a Prime account, not just Amazon, it needs to be Prime. I'll get into that in a minute. A little bit of capital, so £100, dollars, depends where you're coming from, and you need to be active. Very active on your eBay. It's just for this, if you get your sales, you need to basically get your orders fulfilled as quickly as possible. How do we do this? So we're going to be dropshipping. We'll be dropshipping small products from Amazon to your eBay account using your Prime for next day delivery, next day free delivery. This is an investment in building your eBay business. So if you've not got Prime, it's for here it's UK it's £70 a year. I can imagine it's probably $90 in the US. It's definitely worth it, 100% definitely worth it. Like, I mean, I use Prime all the time. I use it for I buy pretty much everything from Amazon, so it's ideal. But the important thing is we're going to be drop shipping from Amazon to your eBay. Drop shipping is when you don't actually own the product, you advertise the product. It's very similar to affiliate. You're advertising product, somebody buys it from you, and then you drop ship that product from Amazon. So you buy it and send it from your account using your Amazon and send it to the customer. So why are we going to do this? We're going to do this for quick sales. You're going to build up very fast feedback, and it's going to build your eBay account. You're going to, with the quicker sales, the good feedback, you're going to get a higher selling allowance. You're going to be able to sell more products, and you're going to obviously have better traffic. What's important for this? There is a problem that people have been doing for a long time. Some people make it work for them. I don't see it working. I've had issues with it before. This is for building up your business. This is not for profit. Don't try and make profit from it, because it can really have the opposite effect. So we're not going to drop ship for profit. Make sure the price you put on eBay is going to be the same price as Amazon. You're going to lose some money, but the money is only going to be the seller fees, which you will recoup once you built your business. Keep it in mind that this is a business. So what happens if you're dropshipping a product and you're trying to do it for profit? This is what I've found. When you're buying a product from Amazon and sending it to the customer, now they've obviously anything from Amazon's in Amazon packaging. Amazon Prime is definitely an Amazon Prime packaging. They get the product, they look at it, they wonder, well, wait a minute, this is saying it's Amazon. I bought it from eBay. Check the price on Amazon. Lo and behold, it's actually a lot cheaper on Amazon. So they feel that you've obviously just conned them, and they leave bad feedback. They want a refund, etc., etc. If you don't do it for profit, then even if they get it in the Amazon packaging, they check it and it's the same price, then people aren't actually bothered. They're still happy. They got a product, it's £5 or $5. They pay for it. They check it on Amazon, it's £5, $5. Then they're fine with that. They've not been bumped, and at the same time they're actually quite happy because they've got free next day delivery, which is important. So they will essentially leave you good feedback. So I'm going to quickly jump in here and do a small tutorial. So on Amazon we're going to be looking for best sellers. Make sure the product is cheap. You don't want anything too dear. Something cheap. And something that sells fast. You want a quick turnover. So we'll check Cards Against Humanity. £25. Bit dear, but it would work. Just for a small example, I personally wouldn't use this. I would try and look for something that's maybe like £5, £6, something a lot cheaper. But this would definitely work. You're just going to go to eBay, Cards Against Humanity. Right, so you're going to try and find the same one, UK edition. You need to try and find the same one that's selling pretty much at the same price, if not actually dearer. So this wouldn't actually work because they're generally cheaper on eBay, and that's very rare. So we'll go back and we'll have a look again. This works for anything, even books, just whatever you can find really. So just jump into books, best selling books. Books are generally cheap anyway, so this books do work great. Signed out my mark, 2 minutes. So there we go. £3.75. This is going to Hut Secret Diaries of a Junior. It's got a lot of feedback. It will have a high best selling rank, so it will sell quite a lot. Computer's running a bit slow, bear with me. I'm just going to copy and paste this into the search and see what we can get. Okay, it didn't paste. Computer's running stupidly slow. Right. Copy and paste. You see, look, these are people dropshipping. These are people dropshipping for a profit. Now this goes against what I said. They may sell a lot, but eventually it's going to come back and bite you in the ass. So I wouldn't chance it. Dropship at the same price that Amazon's selling it at. That way people don't feel conned. They're more inclined to give you good feedback. This sells quite a lot, so what you're going to do is you're going to pretty much click on one of these listings. And there should be a tab here, sell it yourself. So you're just going to click sell it yourself, and you can just copy and paste these pictures, the same descriptions. The description should already be filled out, just use the description on Amazon. It doesn't really make a difference, and then advertise at the same price as Amazon. So once you've got that listing up, it's a very search for terms, a search for book. People are searching for this, people are buying this. This is selling. Look, 58 sold. Now this is higher than the Amazon price, and 58 of them have sold, so it definitely sells. Free delivery estimated 1 to 2 days. I would advise you to also put that in your listing. Free delivery 2 to 3 days, sorry. Reason for this is because, see, once you send it and it becomes next day delivery, people are really surprised that they get it the next day and they were actually expecting it to take 2 to 3 days. So again, it makes them more inclined to leave good feedback and makes them happy. So if you do this, use this technique. Again, don't try and make profit, just do it to get your initial sales, get your feedback. You can build your feedback up really fast using this technique. I've used it many times. I use it if I need to get feedback quickly, and it will quickly build your eBay business. Again, you're not going to profit from it, you're going to lose a small amount of money, but this is a business. If you're serious about your eBay, then this is the best way to quickly build your business. So I think that about wraps it up. Hopefully you understand what I'm actually trying to say to you. Excuse the accent. If you get it from this, I'd like you to leave a like if you don't mind, and any more videos you can subscribe and I'll send up some more videos. Thanks for watching.